Welcome back to another Stable Lease YouTube video. Today, this is the brand new S3, the 2024 upgraded version that you get now. But if you wanted to see what it's fully upgraded to, all the new features, then check out on the top right now on the differences between 2024 and 2023. But this one's just going to be showing you the difference in the S3 model that they've upgraded. So let's get straight into it. So then let's start off with power, because this is the fastest S3 that they've made so far. Now this has got 333 PS and 420 newton meters of torque. Now that's an upgrade of 23 PS and 20 newton meters of torque. Now this still can do a 0 to 62 time 4.7 seconds and is limited to a top speed of 155 miles per hour, but it's more of an aggressive start and pull and power. Now this, like I said, is a fastest S3 that they've made so far. Up next is now on the driving mode. So you normally get the 5 for efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual, but there is now a 6th on the new S3. If you click on dynamic, you get the dynamic plus, which as suggests is a more of a meteor and more of aggressive, giving you all of the engine torque there is. So let's go hear it because it sounds absolutely epic. Up next, we'll talk about more driving dynamics. The Quattro drive system with torque splitter. Following the RS3, it is now also available in the new S3, increasing agility and stability. This new technology enables variable torque distribution between the rear wheels. Next, these are the new alloys that you get on the S3. Now these are the Vorsprung that you can only get on these ones. Now these are the 19-inch 5 twin spoke edge design, finished in the anthracite black. I really like the design. They look quite full, hard to clean, but they give it a more sporty, aggressive look. They've got the RS little badging that you get on the side. You also get the black brake calipers. Now these look sporty and mean, and as always you get the S3 suspension that's 15 millimeters less compared to the Audi A3. Now then, we'll talk about the LED headlights, because not only have they improved the LED, but they've also changed the animation that you get. Now how cool were they? But now this is more adaptable and personalized for you, because on the daytime running lights they have now changed the light signatures that you can get, and you can change this on the Infotainment Centre, and there's 4 different ones for you to choose. So check these out. There's number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4 on the screen for you right now. Check them out. Which one would you choose? I think I'd choose number 1. It looks really cool with a different pattern. Now let me know down in the comments which one out of the 4 you are choosing. We're back down here again and we're talking about the brake discs. Now these are 4 millimeters larger than the last ones, because these are more of a ventilated brake discs on the front axles. Just some cool little interior features that are notable. Now you've got the S-line badging, but on the Alcantara on the doors. Now this is a quite cool little design. With a new door lining on the Alcantara, they've tried to make it more sportier on the inside as well. With a black roof lining, you've got the black gear pedals as well, trying to make the S3 even more sportier than it even was. There is a lot more new upgrades on the S3 as well, but check out in the top right, because this is a full video of where we compared the old 2023 A3 compared to this brand new version. So it goes from the new grille to the back rear lights and all the new features. So check that out, because that's a full in-depth video of all the new upgraded features that you get. And some updated features on the infotainment as well. You've got the 10.1-inch Infotainment Centre. Now this is a more of an up-to-date, brighter and a lot more sensitive infotainment screen with a lot more apps. You've got Navigation Plus, which is really handy. You've got more of an extended digital display, and not to mention you've now got the wireless charger and the 2 USB-C ports in the front, and you've also got them in the back. But now you've got all of these driving assist options, which goes from speed warning all the way down to side assist and distraction warning, and that's just a cool little button just down on the bottom there. So then that's just all the new features on the new S3 2024 version. Like I said, if you wanted to see all the breakdown of the physical features, such as the new grille and the new infotainment centre, then check out the video on the top right now, because that's more of an in-depth video. But I hope you have enjoyed the new video on this S3. It's absolutely stunning and I really like it. Let me know your thoughts all about it in the comments, and don't forget to check out our special offers down in the description. But until next week, I'll see you later.